Hey, Robyn from Autogeek.
And Scott with Lake Country Manufacturing.
Scott, we know that these pads have been a staple in the industry. Can you tell me what's different with these pads here?
We've taken basically a 6-pad system and consolidated into 3, eliminating some confusion, some extra questions that may not even be answered by all 6 foams. What we found through testing is we're getting the same exact results with 3 pads as we were with 6.
So with 3 pads, we can keep it simple, and we also keep more space in our cabinets at home too.
That's right. Current pad here, as you notice, is a very tight fitting pad to like a backing plate. There's no center hole, nothing for venting. Kind of limits you on what kind of tool you use it with or you're gonna get the best results with. Mostly like short throw tools, they don't have a center ventilating backing plate.
So the way these are designed then, especially like you just mentioned, the center hole with heat transfer, they might be operating better.
Right, so even though like a short throw tool doesn't have a center venting backing plate, you can still use a pad with a center hole on it, but you can also use it on other tools that do. So you could use it on a 12 millimeter, 15, a 21. The other thing is the pad face is a little bit larger than that pad face, so you have more space in between the backing plate and the edge of the pad. You have, with the angle, you get a little bit more reach under mirrors and door handles. Aesthetically, slightly more pleasing. Functionality also there. It's just trying to make it easy for you guys.
So with this design, you would say more versatile too. So more versatile
Yes.
with 3 pads versus with 6.
Correct.
And same results.
Same results.
Great. For more information about these pads and more, go to autogeek.com.